You guys, I'm here with my sister Michelle, and today we're gonna make this thing that my sister made up. I don't know, we hadn't called it. It's like a Play-Doh. Let's make a name for it, Michelle.
Play-Doh slime.
How about if we call it Play-Doh No, Play-Doh Slimey.
Okay.
It's called Play-Doh Slimey. We made it up. So my sister's gonna get all the ingredients. I got one of them. Yep, I think these are the ones. So one is pure baking soda, one of these. And the one is pure baking soda.
It's the same one,
But just this one has cookies. You can see it.
Okay, so let's get started and we'll see you guys in a second.
Okay, we're back and we're in the living room. So we're both gonna, she's gonna use green and I'm gonna use blue.
No, I'm gonna use blue. That's
I'm
my
good.
tray.
No.
That's my tray.
No.
I already called it.
Come on.
I already called it. It's gonna be ours. It's gonna be the same one.
Fine. Give me, this your tray.
That's my tray.
Okay,
so
I'm using green.
Blue is going to be hers and green is going to be mine, but blue is also going to be mine. And green is also going to be hers. So, first get a shampoo. Any shampoo you want, you could put it in.
And you're wasting my shampoo. Okay, my turn.
So, just add how much you want. I added like that. Get your spoon. And I'm going to just start mixing.
I want to make a big one. And we made it up, you guys.
Yeah, I made it up. She was watching YouTube videos and I'm like, I found it. Okay, so we have salt here.
You have to mix it like this.
Yeah, mix it. Just mix it. So we have salt here. And we're going to just put just a tiny pinch of it. Just a tiny bit.
You put one for mine. I'm going to go put this away.
Okay. Going to put some
Where's
in
the
hers.
cap, Michelle?
It's right here.
Put it. Where was it?
It's in the back.
That's in the yeah. I'll come right back, guys.
Okay. She's coming right back, so I'm going to mix. And it will start to get like this. Let's mix hers up.
Did you put some for me?
Yes, I did.
Thank you.
We didn't add that much.
Let me see. This could move.
Okay, so now let's put your food coloring. You don't need food coloring for this, but we're using some. But you don't have to use food coloring. If you want, you can. You can use any color.
If you want, you could just keep it white.
Yeah, you could just keep it white. And
how many drops? 2?
Just one.
I put it 2.
I'm going to put 2. But just add 2 or 1 because then it's going to be so liquidy.
Yep.
Just add 1.
What are we going to make one of those?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we are right.
Hers is going to be the same one as this one, the same color. So,
yay.
don't worry about that.
We kind of making it bigger. Ah! My folders off. Task. Just wait, guys. It's because in school I do a lot of stuff. I have a lot of papers from school. Okay, guys, better? Okay, better.
Oh, no. Like that.
Hey,
So,
don't show me.
okay. So now here comes almost the hard part. So now you're going to drop a lot of baking soda.
Okay.
A lot.
Let me just give it. I can do it.
Okay, now mix it.
Oh, guys, also follow me in, what's it called? Musical.ly.
Yeah, also follow me. My name is Rojas1678.
Mine's DAIANN0527.
I do a lot of Musical.lys.
Me
I'm
too.
kind of new to Musical.ly, so
No, I got Musical.ly since a month already.
so now you can see it looks watery, but it's not. Put more baking soda, and it's gonna start shaping.
Stop moving it.
It's gonna start
Everything
looking like
keeps moving. It kind of feels so weird, guys. My turn
that. Wait, I need to add
to
more.
know.
I need to add more.
I'm just gonna add a little more salt.
Okay. Yeah, you can also add more salt if you don't see it that much rocky. So, I think I got some baking soda on my
It
mouth.
kind of smells bad,
It tastes bad.
right? When I had like something in the ham, it was that, and I tasted it, and I was like,
Okay, so mine.
I was about to
as you
tell
can
you
see,
that.
it's turning like.
It's
rough.
turning like it.
I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. I can't get the salt out. I added a lot.
Like this is
Yes.
like this.
I love my sister too much. It looks like frosting. Oh, you haven't even showed them yours. You don't add too much because then it's going to turn watery.
Fine. How about that one?
It's the same one. It's just that one came out first.
It's kind of fun doing this, isn't it, sis?
Yeah. She always calls me sis. You could just call me sister.
I want to call you sis.
Okay.
Uncomfortable.
Okay, now you can see mine is rough.
Look at mine, guys.
You need to add more baking soda.
Okay, I'll do it. Woman, I'll do it. Okay, that's enough.
She says women a lot. It's just her thing.
I actually
You
said
really
what's
want to
up.
add a lot of baking soda.
Okay,
Not just a tiny bit, a lot of baking soda.
but then we have to wash these. Oh, we're alone in the house. Yeah.
Yeah, we're alone.
My sis.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna add some of this.
I'm gonna add more food coloring because I don't like baby food. I like dark food.
I'm gonna add one more.
I added 2 more drops of food coloring.
I think this is gonna.
It's basically 4 drops. Mine is so rocky.
Guys, when you're done, you have to wash your hands.
Yeah, you have to wash your hands in order to stay clean.
Like that.
I'm gonna add more food coloring, which is 6 drops now. 7 drops. 8 drops. Added 4 more drops.
Like this.
Because I don't like baby blue, I like dark blue.
I like every blue and green. I like the Seahawks.
We
Guys,
both love Seahawks.
guys,
We're
subscribe
Seahawks.
if you like the Seahawks, please, and click the thumbs up and comment down below. Heel.
You don't have to. She's always crazy, but you can if you want to.
Come on, guys, you better do it.
So now
I
it's
don't
like
really
this.
have that much subscribers. So
And
that's
I'm
why-
kind of new to the internet.
yeah,
because
yes.
I'm kind of new because I don't really like the internet. But
Ah!
I'm like, why not? Just a fun little try. Why are you adding me to my plate? You have your own plate. I added more food coloring, so I lost down the track of what drops I put.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
More.
Okay, that's enough.
You need to add more.
I'm putting food coloring, sis.
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna add some right here too.
Mine
Okay,
is
I
so
think
rocky.
I'm done with this food color.
Mine is so rocky.
Yeah, I'm done with this.
Okay, now I'm gonna gather it all together. And mix it further.
I bought one of these, sis. I could mix it.
He loves mixing.
Don't judge me, guys. I love mixing.
Yep, every time I try to make slime, she's like, "Oh, can I mix this?"
That's true with our other sis, and she's in California, right, sis?
Yep.
She's with our grandpa.
We couldn't go because
I don't really wanted to go.
it's because she went in a car.
I wanted to stay with my mommy.
Yep.
Our mom.
I'm gonna add more food coloring.
Guys, subscribe if you subscribe to Dennis Daily Dennis or Dennis Daily. Dennis Daily, yep. Subscribe. You guys should do this at home. It's really fun.
Look for me on Musical.ly, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, anything you guys want to.
Me too. Twitter, YouTube.
Everything's available.
Everything. Even Pokemon Go.
Oh yeah, Pokemon Go.
Wait, can you search?
Not kind of.
No. This looks like popcorn but green.
It's time to add your food.
I want to add a little blue. Can I?
Okay. I think I'm gonna turn mine into a snowball. Snowball.
Snowball. That looks real. You had too much food coloring.
I know I did. The whole point of it.
Now kind of sick. Thanks. So you guys could see it kind of looks like it. See? This is the real one that we started with. And that's how it looks now.
Okay.
And probably
look at my hands. They're gonna be blue. Once you add the
oh my
coloring.
god.
So I'm gonna.
I thought it would be light or like your skin color.
Okay, I'm gonna add more baking powder because
guys,
I think it's
comment down if you think she's 11 or 10 or 12.
You just oh my god. It went in my mouth again.
Disgusting.
Oh, it went in my throat.
Hey. Hey, mine's already ready. I want to put more big. Guys, if you put one of these, it makes a lot and it makes it bigger. Guys, try this at home but with a parent, because if you use one of these, your eyes could they could get it in their eyes.
You can do it with like a supervisor or something like that.
Yeah, but we don't have supervisor. But I have my
I'm her
sister.
supervisor.
Yeah, I have my sister.
I'm gonna see what
No,
happens.
wait, we do have a supervisor.
Oh yeah, we do.
In the room.
In the room. Okay.
Next door, the room. Where my room used to be. I sleep with my mom now.
I just added water.
Well, we sleep with our mom.
I just added water.
And I add a little water to mine.
Don't add water. It will turn into this and it will ruin it.
Oh my god.
You see?
What did you do? It feels like yogurt. Guys, if you add water with this, it feels like yogurt.
Wait, can we clean ourselves with a napkin?
No. Let's go wash our hands.
I didn't wash my hands in.
We'll come right back, guys. We could dry ourselves with that napkin. Hey, my hand feels clean.
Oh, here's our dog.
Oh, here's our dog. Her name is Sophie.